Hello aspirants, welcome to Target UPSC. I'm happy to announce that more than 25 students have cleared UPSC 2024 with the help of Sankalp Mains batch. इसमें we have Harshita Goel, rank 2, rank 43 Abdija Gupta, rank 44 Mudita Bansal, rank 67 Farkanda Qureshi and Shivam Singh 73 rank के साथ qualify हुए हैं. एंड इन सारे टॉपर्स के मैंने प्रूफ के साथ डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाले हैं, उनका एनरोलमेंट, उनके नोट्स, उनके टेस्ट पेपर एंड उनके रिव्यूज भी आप जाके ये देख सकते हैं. सो अब आप मुझे पूछोगे सर व्हाई संकल्प मेंस बैच इज सो इफेक्टिव एंड इसके पीछे का सीक्रेट क्या है. इसके पीछे का सीक्रेट है दिस बैच इज अ कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव बैच. एंड जब मैं कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव बात कर रहा हूँ, दिस इज कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव इन टू टर्म्स. फर्स्ट इज द कंटेंट पार्ट, जहां सिलेबस का GS1, GS2, GS3, GS4 कॉम्प्रिहेंसिवली कवर किया जाता है, बोथ फ्रॉम स्टैटिक एंड करंट एस्पेक्ट. एंड साइड बाय साइड हम ऐसे का भी फ्री क्लासेस प्रोवाइड करते हैं. सेकेंड इंपॉर्टेंट पिलर है जो इस प्रोग्राम को कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव बनाता है इज द होलिस्टिक अप्रोच. ये सिर्फ टेस्ट सीरीज नहीं है या आंसर राइटिंग प्रोग्राम नहीं है या कंटेंट वीडियोस नहीं है, बट ये कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव अप्रोच है. अगर आप इसका पूरा प्रोसेस देखोगे तो हर एक सेशन में वी हैव ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग सेशन जहां स्टूडेंट सोचता है ऑन एवरी टॉपिक बिफोर वी टीच दैट टॉपिक. आफ्टर ही थिंक्स वी मेक श्योर दैट वी टीच दैट टॉपिक कॉम्प्रिहेंसिवली. सिलेबस का हर एक टॉपिक कॉम्प्रिहेंसिवली सिखाया जाता है, बोथ फ्रॉम स्टैटिक एस्पेक्ट एंड करंट एस्पेक्ट. एंड जब हम ये टॉपिक सिखा रहे हैं उसके साथ हम उनको एनरिचमेंट भी देते हैं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डेटा, डायग्राम्स, एग्जाम्पल्स, केस लॉस. हर एक टॉपिक पर स्टूडेंट्स के पास एनरिच कंटेंट रहता है, उनके पास इंट्रोडक्शन, कंक्लूजन पूरा रेडी रहता है. नेक्स्ट इज जब हम ये टॉपिक पूरा सिखाते हैं वी मेक श्योर कि हर एक स्टूडेंट्स अपने खुद के हैंड रिटन नोट्स बनाए अलोंग विद द लेक्चर, क्योंकि जब तक आपके पास खुद के हैंड रिटन नोट्स नहीं है आप क्लियर नहीं कर सकते. आप साइड में देख सकते हैं सारे टॉपर्स के जो हमारे संकल्प मेंस बैच से सिलेक्ट हुए हैं उनके हैंड रिटन नोट्स देख सकते हैं. आफ्टर दिस व्हाट वी हैव इज आफ्टर एवरी 15 सेशंस वी हैव अ टेस्ट व्हिच इज कंपल्सरी जूम लाइव टेस्ट होता है, वेयर इट इज मैंडेटरी टू एवरी स्टूडेंट टू राइट द टेस्ट. तो यहाँ एक डिसिप्लिन का भी फैक्टर है जो इस प्रोग्राम को कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव बनाता है. आफ्टर द टेस्ट यू गेट अ पर्सनलाइज्ड गाइडेंस विद रिस्पेक्ट टू योर इवैल्यूएशन ऑफ द कॉपीज. आपको पर्सनलाइज्ड इनपुट्स मिलते हैं कि आपने क्या गलती की है एंड हाउ यू कैन इंप्रूव योर आंसर्स. अलोंग विद दिस वी आल्सो हैव आंसर राइटिंग सेशन बाय यूपीएससी टॉपर्स जो PYQ के बेसिस पर आपको बताते हैं कि आपको आंसर्स कैसे लिखने चाहिए विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एवरी सब्जेक्ट, जैसे GS2, GS3, GS4, GS1 का क्या अप्रोच रहना चाहिए विद रिस्पेक्ट टू आंसर राइटिंग सेशन. तो टॉपर यहाँ सेशंस लेते हैं एंड दैट हेल्प्स यू गेट दैट एक्स्ट्रा कॉन्फिडेंस ड्यूरिंग योर एग्जामिनेशन. सो अगर आप इस प्रोग्राम का पूरा प्रोसेस देखोगे तो वी मेक श्योर एवरी स्टूडेंट्स थिंक इन द क्लास थ्रू ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग सेशंस. उसके बाद हम पूरा टॉपिक सिखाते हैं, एवरीथिंग बोथ फ्रॉम स्टैटिक एंड करंट एस्पेक्ट. उसके साथ आपको एनरिच कंटेंट भी मिलता है. आफ्टर द सेशंस आपको 2 क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस के लिए भी मिलते हैं. एवरी 15 सेशंस के बाद टेस्ट होता है व्हिच इज कॉम्प्रिहेंसिवली इवैल्यूएटेड एंड पर्सनल मेंटरशिप मिलते हैं. एंड वी हैव टोटल 12 टेस्ट इंक्लूडेड इन दिस इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोग्राम. एंड अगर आप इस पूरे कोर्स को दूसरे कोर्स के साथ कंपेयर करोगे जो सिमिलर कोर्स के लिए 20,000, 30,000, 40,000 चार्ज कर रहे हैं विद पर्सनल मेंटरशिप, लेकिन इस कोर्स का प्राइस हमने सिर्फ 10,000 रुपीज रखा है सो दैट इट इज अफोर्डेबल एंड एक्सेसिबल टू एवरीवन. सो मेक श्योर अगर आपको मेंस क्रैक करना है दिस इज अ वन स्टॉप सॉल्यूशन फॉर योर यूपीएससी मेंस एग्जामिनेशन. अगर आपके और भी कोई डाउट्स है डेफिनेटली यू कैन कॉल अस ऑन द बिलो नंबर एंड मैसेज अस आल्सो. यू कैन चेक ऑल द रिव्यूज ऑफ आवर टॉपर्स आफ्टर दिस. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Harshita Goel and I have secured All India Rank 2 in UPSC CSE Examination 2024. I was part of the Sankalp Mains program of Target UPSC and it has helped me immensely in my preparation. The way of making notes of Sudarshan sir guided me through my preparation and his way of brainstorming also helped me preparing for my answer writing sessions. So it was a great initiative by sir and it helped me thoroughly in my preparation. So I have also referred to the 12-hour marathon which Sudarshan sir had posted during last year's prelims, and it helped me with my current affairs preparation as it was a concise video where the current affairs of the important current affairs were there in one video and he touched upon various diverse topics and they also came in the prelims examination as well. So it was also an amazing video and I look forward to many such videos. Even though now I have cleared, but it can help the students, the future students immensely. So I want to thank Sudarshan sir for his efforts of guiding the students. Thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, this is Abdija Gupta and I secured All India Rank 43 in UPSC CSE 2024. I wanted to share my experience of Sankalp Mains batch for which I was a part. So this is a very comprehensive batch, not just because of its the nature of this batch, but also the steps that they follow to ensure a comprehensive UPSC CSE mains preparation. So it is divided mainly into 4 parts. So first would be dedicated classroom lectures. So of these lectures, brainstorming sessions would be there where Sudarshan sir would help you brainstorm, and gradually you will realize that you can solve any question by brainstorming method. Secondly would be note making. So note making is very important in mains, and the notes are very organized, and I have shared my notes as well. So there will be about the issues, the schemes and measures, way forward, important statements. So second would be note making. Third important feature would be test series. So this online Zoom test series is something which is very, very efficient, and actually that really inculcated discipline during tests, because when you know that you won't be able to attempt these tests after the Zoom meeting is over, so you make it a point that, and a habit, that you will write these tests. And in fact, I also completed most of their tests of Sankalp mains batch. And final would be mentorship. So these are the 4 components, and mentorship is important not just for evaluating but also any personal doubt clearance that you have. So you would be assigned a dedicated mentor who you can call anytime. So I had an extremely enriching experience, and I gained a lot in my actual mains preparation as well. So I thank Sudarshan sir. Thank you.
I'm Mudita Bansal. I am AIR 44 in UPSC CSE examination. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Sudarshan sir and the Target UPSC team for playing a key role in my UPSC journey, including prelims crash course as well as the mains Sankalp course. The unique style that Sudarshan sir adopted, especially for mains preparation, in terms of answer writing, in terms of value addition such as data, graphs, etc., became a very strong base and foundation for me to actually start my mains journey. And so it was always accessible, and the team was always accessible when it came to evaluating my papers as well as just wanting to any questions that I had. I would also like to thank Atharv sir, who was a constant mentor in my journey. They were always accessible. So thank you so much.
Hello all, I am Fakhanda Qureshi. I have secured All India rank 67 in UPSC Civil Services exam 2024. As I was part of Sankalp mains batch, it was quite a comprehensive endeavor for me. In this, we had comprehensive classes for the GS 1, 2 and 3. I attended all the classes. I made the notes of these classes and appeared for the test series also. And the pedagogy that Sudarshan sir used in his classes was also immensely helpful. First of all, the brainstorming of the sessions in the classes in the previous section were very important. This helps us to enhance our thinking, to broaden our horizon and think out of the box about any topic. And his pedagogy was also very unique in a sense that first he used to explain whatever the topic is and then give a brief intro about everything, then delving deeper into the depth of every topic, like what, where, how, what is the significance, what are the challenges of anything, and the solutions that could be in every topic, and the government schemes. All these things were included. The value addition was also done by Sudarshan sir himself. So this was a one-stop solution. For me, I would say that these Zoom sessions, the Zoom calls with along with the test series were also very, very immensely helpful as I was preparing from my home. So I used the online medium, and for that the Zoom sessions and the Zoom test series were very helpful because since I was preparing alone in my home, so being in discipline and with direction was very, very important. So seeing others that they are also preparing, it gives me a booster that I also need to prepare in the same direction, and it also helped me to work harder for the mains exam. I would like to say that the Sankalp mains batch was a game changer for me because I had been associated with it for a long time. I used the Kafi notes that I made in 2022 in my later attempts also. So what an aspirant need is guidance that I got from Sudarshan sir and Atharv sir, and the quality evaluation and test series were quite helpful for me. I would suggest that aspirants who don't have guidance enough and were preparing from home, they can also join the Sankalp mains batch or the other initiatives. These could be very helpful in their preparation also. Apart from that, I would like to say that I also took the courses, the free courses and the initiatives of Target UPSC, like the prelims current affairs marathon session that helped me immensely in my prelims preparation journey in the current affairs section, because after reading a lot of current affairs from different sources, it gives a very scattered perception. So the prelims marathon session of current affairs by Sudarshan sir was quite helpful. I also took the help of the some initiatives like the Bases in News so that I could complete my preparation of the geography, maps and locations.
Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Shivam Singh, and I have secured All India Rank 73 in UPSC Civil Services 2024 exam. And last year also, I have secured All India Rank 877, and presently I am serving in Indian Revenue Services, Customs and Indirect Taxes. I want to thank Sudarshan sir and his initiative under Target UPSC, especially for mains, because I have taken his Sankalp mains batch during 2023, and the rigorous effort that sir put for preparation of the material, for teaching us everything multiple times so that it could get by heart, so that that could get replicated in the mains exam. So I think I have a huge fraction of contribution from Sudarshan sir. And in 2024 also I have solved such test series and also continued with this Sankalp mains batch along with the other resources that I took. And again, I would like to thank the entire Target UPSC team and Sudarshan sir in particular. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Saurav Kumar and I have secured AR 260 in UPSC Civil Services Examination 2024. And I would like to thank Sudarshan Lodha sir from Target UPSC for supporting me during the entire process of UPSC journey. From prelims, his series like Marathon series and also Mapping series. And in 2023 attempt, he also started the Vigyan series. So this series immensely benefited me and I was able to clear prelims in both my attempts. And this year, I also joined Sankalp mains batch, which were very helpful in my preparation. Sir taught me to brainstorm and also taught me how to use the data and diagrams in my answers. And also, sir was available every time, whenever I had any doubts. Sir also boosted my motivation during the last days of mains process. So I would strongly recommend Sudarshan Lodha sir for anyone who want to crack UPSC. So once again, I would like to thank Sudarshan Lodha sir from Target UPSC for his contribution to my success. Thank you, sir.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Aditya Singh. I am an orthopedic surgeon and this year's in UPSC CSC I secured 545 rank. I'm very grateful to Target UPSC as I started watching Target UPSC's 12-hour current affairs series as well as agriculture and IR related modules which helped me greatly in my prelims preparation. After my prelims, I joined the Sankalp mains batch and that helped me in such a great way. It helped me in preparing my notes in very point wise. I learned to integrate all the four GS subjects together and weave a pattern. And most important and different was the brainstorming sessions that sir would conduct regularly. And that forced us to think and mimic the scenes that we get during exam time. And at last, during interview, one of the interviewer asked me regarding few questions and I answered those questions related to electoral reforms based on sir's notes, and examiner was very impressed. So thank you very much. Thank you, Sudarshan sir.